Hi friends, so today I wanted a snack and I was out of oatmeal, so I thought I would make banana ice cream for a snack. It's healthy and nutritious and easy, which is what I'm all about. So what I have are some frozen bananas. I know they look nasty, but they're better when they're ripe. And then I have frozen berries of your choice. I love blueberries, but these are strawberries. These were all I had. And then all I'm gonna do is put them in the blender. I let these kind of thaw out a little bit because I've tried blending them too soon and it's like blending rocks. So just let them thaw out for a couple minutes and then just put them in a blender and make some creamy ice cream. And it jams up once in a while, so you need to have some kind of spatula to kind of keep scraping the sides of your blender and just keep working it into a creamy consistency. I'm back. Oh, I know it's kind of random that I'm wearing bright red lipstick on an average Friday, but I figured you guys were getting tired of seeing me in like my pajamas and shower cap, so I thought I had to do some aesthetic tricks to keep you guys hanging around. It's getting creamy. You know, sometimes ice cream just makes me feel mucusy or just like blood in my throat, and so I like to do something with bananas. And plus, you know, the more bananas you eat, the better, right? Potassium. And I can't really eat whole bananas, like just raw. The texture makes me gag, so this is perfect. Because I'll eat ice cream. I feel like I say that a lot in my videos. And I like to kind of pulse it or blend it on low so that I have more control over the consistency, because I don't want to just go like blend it into like a liquid. I want like a whip to it. And then I also don't like to put too many berries in there because it kind of makes it changes the color of the bananas and the ice cream, and it just kind of makes it more liquidy, like a yogurt. And I prefer having it whipped and just having like the flavor of the berries. I don't want it to change the whole ice cream flavor or consistency. So it is nice and whipped. Whip it good. I like this handy spatula. We got this new spatula set. They're silicone, and this is like a knife. It's cool. Okay. I'm gonna show you the consistency of this. Look at that. Just gonna put in a couple berries, because like I said, I don't like it when it changes the color or it gets too liquidy. I don't want to eat yogurt, I want ice cream. This would be so good. Like to give kids instead of ice cream. It's all nutritious. I mean, it's just bananas and strawberries. How can you go wrong? And they will not miss the sugar. Derek doesn't like this because it's too banana-y, but I like it. When you add the fruit, it makes it less banana tasting. And I think blueberries blend in here nicely. I like to have little chunks of fruit in here. Makes it feel more homemade. So look at it now. How amazing is that? I'm gonna pour it in a cup. Who needs Salt and Straw or Baskin and Robbins, Dairy Queen, all of that? Save your money, eat whole foods, get that nutrition. And it's like, I'm not vegan, but this is like no animal products. I mean, what more could you ask for? How amazing is that? Ice cream for a snack in the middle of the day. But you have to like bananas. But you don't have to eat straight banana flavor. Mix it with the berries. And this is guilt-free. You won't have to hate yourself after eating it. You'll feel good. You'll feel energized. Oh my gosh, I haven't had this in so long. Let me know in the comments if you make this and what your favorite berries are, or whatever you mix in here. What's a good combination for you? For me, it's blueberries, but any berries work for me. I'm not picky. Well, that's it for my video. Banana ice cream with berries. Let me know how you like it.